We're going to start off here at this home right here in Sierra Gardens neighborhood, which is one of the best neighborhoods in Roseville. What I like what they did with this, they completely remodeled the home, as you can see it here, with the new floors, the new baseboards, new interior painting, plantation shutters. Now you've also got the dining area part of it, which is open to the kitchen as well, so a open kitchen floor plan. And you can see right there from the island right there, and the cabinets. Newer countertops, repainted cabinets, new amazing stove, and new dishwasher too. So you got a nice patio here for some shading, especially during these hot summers in Sacramento. First bathroom right here, full bath, updated as well. Newer flooring, baseboards, subway tile, and the bath and shower. New closet doors, and then you've got your first bedroom, good size too, with the full size bed, plantation shutters, good size closet too.